So I just got in this trade. I was talking about it on our Discord group here. If I just bring this over, talking about the setups using the TradingView Slingshot for GBP Japanese yen, and then discussion with some of the members on the chart type and the strategy and everything like that. And then I've obviously just posted it into the Forex channel there as well now. So we're looking pretty good on this right now. $402 in profit. So this is a 45-second time frame, but it's on a Renko ATR 14. So it's not a time-based chart as such. So now we've just hit target 1. I'm going to make this risk-free. Okay. So this trade is no longer at risk. $547, it's not bad, not a bad little profit there. I've got the take profit at target 2, and which also coincides with this previous pivot here, and a lot of clustering just there as well. So you know, it looks pretty good. It's just basically a standard setup really. We pulled down, we pulled back into our pullback zones. We've got a type 2 sell signal on this particular candle here. I was a little bit more conservative with the entry, put a stop market order on, got taken in, had the stop above this particular pullback zone, and then target 2 is always my target with this type of trade. So we're good to go. So it's not necessarily going to be a winner, but it's not going to be a loser now. I've made it risk free. As soon as we get to target 1, I'm risk free. The probability zones in this pullback zone, it's gone into the middle zone, so it's 80%, all centre around this target 2. But we need to be aware of what's happening with these are fib sort of extensions, if you like, and we need to be aware that we can find support at these. So this is why we go risk free. Okay. Pulling back up, we're 7 AM EST, so there's no real catalyst for this. It's just normal price action, normal trading. Got a green big brick there. Not a great sign, but we're risk free, so nothing really got. Now it's come back down again. Brilliant. It's very, very fluctuating at the moment. So remember, it's not a time type chart set here. We're looking really with this for a 1 brick wonder. If we don't get that, it's most likely going to pull back into that pullback zone again. So it's a very, very important period of time right now. We can see we've had 1 brick or 2 brick wonders before, but the 2 brick would actually take us out and stop. So this has got to be, you see here we've got 2 bricks. So on the upward move on this particular, we had a 1 brick wonder there, and we pulled back. So it does happen. We just have to be patient and wait. This is the underlying price here, 192648. You can see that moving. This 192675 is where the brick closed. So this little pink price here is actually the indicative price of GBP Japanese yen for this particular broker. So that's the price that you're interested in. That's the price that takes you in on a stop market order, or takes you out on stop loss, or a trading stop in this case. So this is where the brick closed, this green line again, but this is where the indicative price is right now. Again, this is the live brick printing once it goes outside of the rounds of the low and high of the previous brick. Very interesting to watch these chart types, very interesting. Got to keep an eye on that indicative price, and then it's got to actually, for it to close, it's got to go a certain height or depth in this case if it's down, and they're all the same because that's the settings we got. ATR 14 0.035 on the 45 seconds. So you know, we will we will get a close anytime soon. So about $689 profit in now, which is pretty good. What I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this just above that brick there now, because we've just closed. Okay, so the idea with this is this brick has just closed, same depth there, so I brought the trailing stop just above this brick here. Okay, we're $700 in profit right now. One of the things with this chart type is you can follow brick by brick as we go along. I need to take another screenshot for our community. Community's got Forex traders, futures traders, stocks traders, crypto. It's all in there. We run multiple trading floors. So this is an aggressive trailing stop. We haven't started printing the trailing stop from this entry here yet, or the software hasn't. We can see on previous examples where it does print at that point, but I've gone very aggressive with this, and basically now we're $800 in profit. We've locked in $200 with that trailing stop, so pretty good. This brick's going to close again soon, hopefully get a little bit more action. We're about $1,000 in profit right now. As soon as that goes dark red and closes, I will adjust the stop again. So Slingshot does what it says. So we move in a certain direction in a trend, it pulls back against the trend, and then we trend. So it's, there we go, it's moved. So I'm just going to adjust that just above that brick there. Again, this is for educational purposes only. It will help our users. So now we've locked in $663. So I need to again screenshot and update our community. Okay, so that's good. Simple trade. Didn't get to target 2. We were one brick behind, took $663 profit on this particular trade. So very, very happy with that. Check out the links below this video for the trading view version of our Slingshot, plus also the trading community.